Introducing your personal hair kit with one apron and two multi-purpose comb. The apron comes with lock mechanism. This tool is brush cum comb. And this multi-purpose comb is used for clipping hairs. Just lock the apron, mix hair color and directly apply with brush side of the tool and just flip and it works like a comb. Use brush and comb with one flip. The ultimate hair color accessories. Don't forget to buy, the link is in the descriptions.